and take you to my journey. So hopefully you guys can see it clearly. This is one of the nice dining area, and if I may, and introduce you to the living room here. In here we introduce some new elements here. One of the things is about the wall panel that you can see, even with two different texture and coloring. Another element that I want to share with you is the concealed ceiling lights that is adjustable as well. That actually works very well, especially if you want to highlight some artworks. Some of the students who follow me before, you can tell one of the elements that I really enjoy is an open view in your unit. That is a feature selling points, because no one wants to come home and have confined the space. They like the openness so that they can relax. Alright, turning around, going up, we want to show you our kitchen.